Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Out here in the 6-liter getting it warmed up, about to head over to my buddy Chris's house. Chris is the owner of the Silver Lightning that you guys seen on the channel last year that I did some tuning on. We had some engine issues at the end of the year, ended up taking out a thrust bearing from some previous problems that Chris had with the transmission. He's been in machine shop jail for the past month. He finally got a new crankshaft, so I'm gonna head over there and get Chris's engine reassembled and ready to go back in the truck. So I'll see you guys over there. You can see yourself on the screen and then the video is like super fucking good. Hey, what's up guys? So we're over here at Chris's garage. What's up, Chris?
What's going on?
We got the block behind us right here, and you guys already have seen the Lightning on the channel before. We got some exciting stuff coming for it. Chris is doing a turbo upgrade. And I don't know what else you doing. You putting a cage in it? We were just talking about the cage.
Motor refreshed. Basically a whole new build again.
Yeah. Got the heads over here. We didn't really do nothing to them when we pulled it apart. They're just preserved. But I got a lot of questions about this truck whenever I was tuning it, and I didn't really know a lot about the engine. We tore it down. I didn't take a video of it, but now that it's torn down, I can show you guys. I think a local guy here in town did some port work on these things.
Yeah, Ron Port did.
So they're all ported up. I don't think you guys were ever able to flow them, but they're ported up. They got some stock cams in them. There's the crank that Chris was in machine shop jail for. It's gonna be a simple rebuild, so we're not replacing the piston rings or anything like that. We're gonna toss them back in the same holes they came out of. I wish we had the turbo we could show, but we'll just maybe keep it a surprise. But everything's ripped out of the truck. Roll cage over here, ready to go in. And then there's the old Precision turbo. This thing was freaking smoked, wasn't it, Chris?
Yeah.
Well, it's not that bad, I guess. Cool. But it definitely had a little bit of play on it whenever it was in the truck. And there's the new turbo right there. What's that, a VS Racing 88mm?
Yep. Gen 1.
Ready to rock. Got some stuff over at Battleborn Coating getting coated right now on it. We're gonna do a separate video probably on Battleborn whenever we get a chance to get over there. So anyways, just gonna do a time lapse of this engine build. So we're gonna get to it because we got a lot of work to get done. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so I think I misjudged the battery life on this camera and doing time lapses, so I apologize. We didn't get a time lapse of everything that we did to the engine, but it is for the most part pretty much put together. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. here it is upside down. So we're gonna call it, me and Chris are gonna call it a night. We've been working on this thing for like,
Since about 1:30.
yeah, so I mean, we've been working on this thing for a while. This is the first 5.4 and the first dual overhead cam engine that I've ever worked on. So it was a learning curve for me. And this one's a little different because it has like 2 timing marks right there that you put in between the timing dot on the cam gears. That thing is freaking huge. Dude, that thing is ridiculous.
She'll fill up an engine bay.
Dude.
Quit.
Like, that is crazy how wide that thing is. What do you think?
About 29.5 inches wide.
Dang. Yeah, the 4 valve's already wide, but you add on the tall deck height of the 5.4 and it's ridiculous. Dang. But yeah, everything's together in here. Ready to rock. Just gotta do a couple more things and then Chris is gonna have it ready. Hey, will you show them the valve covers?
Oh,
I didn't get
yeah.
to show them the valve covers earlier. Maybe we did, I can't remember.
Battleborn Special.
Yep. The same guys that are going to be powder coating my turbo cover and a couple other things. That's going to look good with this truck,
We
dude.
did that, and then I got a Glacier textured cover.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's like the wrinkle black.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good, except the powder coat turns out way nicer than the paint does. Heck yeah. That's going to look good. Well, my battery's dying, so this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more action from the Lightning. We're going to do some more tuning on Chris's truck this year. Probably put it on a dyno and see how much horsepower it makes. So that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.